So he's telling his mind. So I had a few points in relation to this verse. How to come? These are points about sadhana in relation to this verse, because he's praying here in Sadhaka Vesh. Saraswati Pad, Prabhupada Saraswati. This is Radha Rasudanidhi. He's in Sadhaka Vesh. He's absorbed in the Sattvis Roop, in Stri Roop, Admi Roop, man, woman, doing bhajan. So he's in one level he's in Siddha Sarup, Siddha Vesh, in his Manjari Swarup, envisioning his Manjari Swarup, and he's seeing this Leela. I'm walking in the Van Vihar with Radharani, Vrindavan Gamana, and I'm wandering through the Van, and Talavan and Madhuvan and Vrindavan, mostly Vrindavan, Radha and Krishna, Madhurya Leela. And she's touching the lead, and the Manjari's there walking behind Radharani with chamara, or throwing flower petals, or just walking behind carrying some tray with some water pot, or some kunkum, or some kajal, laga item, many different items. And so she's observing, like when you watch a movie, you observe the hero and the heroine, Nayak and Nayak. So the Manjari is observing. So in Siddha Vesh, he's observing, oh, I see Radharani doing this and doing that, and I see her feet moving on the ground. And then he comes back, he loses that vision, that absorption, the high level of bhajan, seeing the Leela, Leela Pravesh, entering the Leela. Then he laments, Vilap. Oh, my mind, before, for 10 minutes, my mind, you were very kind. Krishna is telling in Gita, Krishna says in Gita, the mind is the best of friends or the worst of enemies. You understand? Meraman kavi kavi bandhu, Meraman kavi kavi ari. Ari, enemy. How do you say enemy? Ari. Shatru. Kavi kavi shatru. Enemy. Opposed. Virod. Virod party. Virod party. So, the mind is a very good mind, a friendly mind is Leela Pravesh, Leela Smaran. That's bandhu, man bandhu, friendly mind. But our mind is very less like this. So his mind was there giving him the darshan. Then he lost it. Then he said, oh mind, manome, my mind. Now you lost that, now you're going here and there, oh, what's for prasad? Oh, I need some new clothes. Oh, this, that, other thing. Just stay in the Leela. So I made these points for sadhana. That all the plants, flowers, trees, and land of Braj is connected with Radharani. Because everything in Braj comes directly in contact, sakshat, sparsha, directly in contact with Radharani's Madhurya Sarup. Mahabhav Sarupini Radha. Mahabhav Sarupini, from head to fingertips. From fingertips to her eyes. She looks with Mahabhav Dristi. She hears with Mahabhav Shabda, her ears, her kan. She smells, she touches, her feet are walking. And it's just radiating. It's emanating from her. So and everything has come in contact with Radharani's beautiful hands, her eyes, her feet, and her heart. Sparshamani. Sparshamani. There's Chintamani and Sparshamani, do cheese, do item. So, Sparshamani, this is some element, some dhatu, that if you touch the Sparshamani to loha, then the loha becomes sona. Iron becomes gold. So this Radharani, she is Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, Gaurangi Radha, Mahabhav Gaurangi. So she is so much Sparshamani. So she's touching this land of Vrindavan and turning it all into gold. Turning it all into this golden effulgence of Madhurya Bhav. So we roll in the dust. So I'm saying this, that everything's come in contact with her, and it's become like a Sparshamani. And there's that one bhajan in Hindi about 5 years ago, it's popular. Like in the verse it says Radharani's touching Sparsha, Lata Sparsha, Lata Sparsha, Pata Sparsha, Pallava Sparsha. She's touching the leaves, she's touching the creepers, she's touching the flower buds. And what are they doing? How are they responding? Braj mein lata patabi bole Shri Radha Radha. Braj mein lata patabi bole. You know? You know it. Shri Radha Radha. This is a Hindi song. Very popular in all of Braj Mandal 5 years ago. Number 1. Hit song. Huh? I know, 20 years ago. I don't know. I'm here for 30 years. So for me, it's 29, 30, 15. I get lost, you know. Yeah, you know. Maybe you know. I don't know. Anything more than 1 year is a long time ago. Braj mein lata patabi bole. So the pata and the lata, the leaves on the lata, the valari. What are they doing? Radharani's touching them. Sparsha. Kara sparsha. Then Shri Radha Radha, Shri Radha Radha. Then later, when Krishna is on his Abhisar, Krishna's on Abhisar looking for Radharani. Radha Kotai, Radha Kotai. Little Bengal. Torah. Kahan. Ami Prem Bikari. Ami Prem Bikari, Radharani Kotai.